This was the condition of the house before we are starting the renovation project. This is our recent completed project in prominent Vistara, Varthur, Bangalore. Our client Sandersar want to replace all his old furniture into new one. There is a TV unit, Pooja unit, kitchen we have to replace. In kitchen we are only removing the doors of base unit. Rest all things we are keeping there only to cut the cost. Wall unit we are making completely new one. Loft also new one, but only the doors we needed. Because it's a budget constrained project, TV unit have a bottom cabinet with only drawers. Top we have uplifting glass storage unit. In Pooja unit we have CNC cutter design doors, double doors. When we come to kitchen, there was an old type of SS finished drawers that was spoiled by rust. We replacing that with new tandem drawers. So that's it. Let me show you how the final look is. We did the painting also, including walls, doors and grills. We went for white colors for walls so that the space look more brighter. We completed this project for 97,000 rupees. Painting is 27,000 rupees. So if you have any requirements related to interiors, you can contact us. We do end-to-end interiors in Bangalore.